Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the snipping tool is not working on your Windows 11 computer. The snipping tool is used for taking screenshots and recording your screen. Normally, you just press the Windows key plus Shift plus S to start using it. However, if this shortcut isn't working for you, there are a few things we can do to fix the problem. First, go to the Start menu and search for Run. Once it opens, type wsreset.exe into the Run dialog box. This command refreshes the Microsoft Store. Click OK to continue. After clicking OK, a command prompt window will briefly open and close, and the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Once the Microsoft Store refresh is complete, check to see if the problem is fixed. If the issue is still not solved, the next step is to open Settings. Go to System, then select Notifications. Make sure notifications are turned on. Sometimes, having notifications turned off can prevent the snipping tool from appearing on your screen. Next, scroll down through the list of applications and find Snipping Tool. Once you locate it, make sure notifications are enabled for it as well. After that, close the Settings window and try launching the snipping tool again to see if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, go back to the Start menu and search for Settings again. From the left side, click on Apps, then select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Snipping. When the snipping tool appears, click on the three horizontal dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you reach the Reset section. First, click on Repair and wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, click Reset, then confirm by pressing Reset again. After this, try opening the snipping tool one more time and check if it's working. If you've tried all of these steps and the issue still isn't fixed, there's one last thing you can do. Go to the Start menu, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. This command will scan all core Windows system files to make sure everything is working correctly. You'll need to wait until the verification process reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, your snipping tool should now be working. And that's it.